Yo, what's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be doing a backtesting video over Mini NQ November 22nd. It was a Friday. I'm going to be doing basically an analysis over that day, and I'm going to try to take a trade based on how I take trades in the market. If you learn anything, consider liking and subscribing. Let's get right into this video. What's up, everyone? Let's get right into this backtesting video. All right, so first off, I'm noticing that we are in this equilibrium range here. Huge equilibrium range, either here or here. Uh, and we just tapped into this and seem to respect this, as well as, let's see, this little fair value gap here. Yeah, so I'm kind of looking for sells, but I could be open to longs as well because we have been just trending up, and I could see us trying to like come up for this liquidity as well. But I would have to see some things first. Uh, First thing I do is mark out 4-hour liquidity, just because I think 4-hour liquidity is the best liquidity, and and all liquidity is it's a it's an up and then a down move would be buy side liquidity, but then a down move to an up move creates sell side liquidity. If this kind of makes some sense, up move, down, up to down candles. So it's two candles. So like think of it like this: boom, boom. This one's black, for example. So yeah, that's just like quick little thing on liquidity. If you don't know what liquidity is, up and then down, or down then up. And so if we go on to the actual chart, we see that we have this up and then down candle, buy side, down then up candle, sell side, um, up then down candle, buy side again, and then we have a down and then down, so there's no low, right? Because it's just two downs, but then we get a down and then an up, therefore sell side right there. And liquidity you can just use as kind of a draw of, or like a magnet to price. Think of it as a magnet for price. Now, after putting down the main 4-hour liquidities, I'm gonna go to the 1 hour and mark out kind of just more. These are more just like take profits than anything, because 4 hours more like moves the market, but 1 hour you can use as like also draws the liquidity. And so you see here, boom, move up, move down. That's the buy side, move down, move up, sell side liquidity right there. Um, and yeah, so now I'm scaling into the 1 minute. If we see here, we got this 4 hour taken out. We have this 1 hour right there, and then yeah. So now that we're here, I'm looking. We got this little market structure shift right here. What a market structure shift is it's when price closes above or below the last high or low of the manipulation leg. And what that means is we can see that here. We can see that here, boom, price comes down, forms a low, because down then up candle, forms a low, but then we sweep out buy side. And so this is like the only buy side above. If this is the last buy side. And so this would be the manipulation leg. And if that's the manipulation leg, this is the high or low of the manipulation leg. So we see that we get a closure past this, also a very, very strong closure too, added that. And then we also see that we retrace back into an order block, which I'll tell you what an order block is in just a sec. And then we also retrace into equilibrium of this range as well. So now all those things, what a order block is it's a high, it's a low, it's a higher high, and then a lower low. That's a bearish one. A bullish one would just be a low, high, lower low, higher high. So same thing, but just flipped. But we could see that this second and third high or low is our order block. We can see that price retraced into this. I want to see a rejection out, and then we also have this BPR, which is just two imbalances on top of each other. That's below this, so I want to see these get disrespected in order to I just want to see how price reacts to this BPR. Okay, huge rejection. We haven't broken past this BPR just yet. We retrace back into here. This could be a good first entry. Stop loss right here. TP would be this for our sell side, and then maybe possibly scale in. I probably scale in whenever this BPR gets disrespected like that. Perfect. Another position here, and then I'm putting this on top of this original high just because don't think price is going to come back there. And then yeah, I'm just going to leave price. Probably will take out most. We see that we push out of this range. I'm going to move this here into the equilibrium because I expect price to just want to continue to go since we rebalanced price already. Here's our liquidity. If this gets hit, I'll probably take out like 70% of my original position, so that'd be like, I don't know, like this. And then boom, there it is. Buy, stop loss, break even, and then we just ride from here. Damn, price almost came. It was very, very close here actually, but then I guess we just didn't want to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much the entire trade. We have an order block, equilibrium, retracement. I also like to point out the fact that I scaled into this position. So I saw that we got a nice retracement into this order block and then rejected it. Entered there, wanted to see price disrespect this BPR, which it did. Entered there, and then yeah, you got to make sure you take partials for this reason. This is like the internal draw on liquidity here. Right, this is the internal draw, and then down here would be the external draw. So you gotta take some. I could have maybe taken one here, but I like this 1 hour more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And like that will be the end of the video. If you learned anything, like I said before, consider liking and subscribing. It helps me out a lot. Don't forget to go to my other channels or like my other socials like Instagram and TikTok and even Discord and join those to be more part of the community that I'm trying to build here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Enjoy your day.